All right, guys, we are starting to really get started on this C32 project. We're gonna start pulling the wrap off, lining up, marking for the wide body, test fitting it, getting ready to cut the fenders, and then install. We're gonna do the hidden hardware, all that. Before I do that, because I'm a little out of time this weekend, things have been running a little behind. One project I've been meaning to do and I want to take care of before we get started is this windshield. So a lot of older cars, especially if they've been around a while, depending on how the owner's taking care of them, clean the wipers or not, they get a lot of dirt, and then you start getting that hazing. This is actually, you can't tell here, I'll try to show here in a second, but this is so bad that during the wintertime when the sun is low in the sky, you can't see anything out of it. Like, it is dangerous. So we're going to polish the glass. I've done this a couple times before. I'll go over what you need and the process. But basically it's pretty simple. There's a couple of different products you can use. I'll show you what I'm using. Basically, each form of paste is a polish. You use a wool, a felt pad, and then you just polish it out like anything else. A couple things though, you obviously want to be very careful. You don't want to overheat sections of the glass. Differences in temperature, you'll end up with a cracked windshield. You don't want to do that. But we'll go over that here in a second. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this, but it's pretty bad. Obviously, right through here, where the wipers over the years have just drug a bunch of gunk through. Again, it's kind of hard to see in this light, but once you get in it and the light hits it a certain way, you can't see anything out of the windshield. So we're going to polish this out. All right, a couple things you're going to need. A polisher, buffer, some sort. Felt pads in the correct size. We're gonna put a plastic drop cloth. I'm gonna show you. We're gonna tape up around the windshield and then cover everything else because it's going to sling. This stuff, we don't want it getting everywhere. And what we're gonna use now, this is Cerium Oxide. It is made for polishing glass. Basically, I'll have to double check. I believe it's 1 part of this and 2 parts water. It might be the other way around. I'll check and I'll correct it in the description. But basically, you're going to make it into a paste. We have measuring stuff and something to mix it in there. And then we're going to go there. I'm also going to polish the headlights. I'm actually going to take those apart. That's probably at the end of the project. There is a company that makes completely clear, nippleless, just straight glass for the front, and we're going to do the J-spec type bezels, since you can't get the J-spec headlights anymore unless you're super lucky. So we're going to be doing that and probably do some sort of retrofit or something, but I'm going to go ahead and polish these for now since we've got them here. But let's get started on getting everything prepped up. right, guys, so we've got it taped and masked off. Let's get started. Let's mix it up. All right, guys, being in progress. Still not quite done, but a lot of the finer ones are gone. You can really tell when I cross over to the bottom part here where I didn't really touch and on up. Most of it's pretty, just the finer ones. Again, the camera doesn't really catch it. I'm trying to get that light to kind of show. Haven't been in it long, but yeah, it's definitely making a difference. So we're going to keep at it and see how good we can get this. Look at that, almost crystal clear. A couple of little spots I gotta even out, but yeah, I'm gonna go back and do this bottom. I just wanted to leave some contrast to see how bad it was starting out, and then up here. Like I said, a couple of little spots we'll even out, but yeah, pretty much a success. Yeah, I'm going to keep working at it, but that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy to do. Like I said, just make sure you get your mix right. And what I found is actually a little easier, which isn't how I usually polish paint, but the consistency of this stuff is a little weird. So putting it on the windshield itself, just in spots, and then, taking your time with your buffer, going back and forth, seemed to work best. But we're pretty much done. I'll give a shot once I'm all finished, and yeah, pretty happy with this product and this process. Seems to work pretty well. Oh yeah, definitely much better. Very happy. All right, guys, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Like I said, we'll be test fitting and mounting the wide body and starting to prep that. I'll document that. I'm not sure if I want to release those as I'm doing it or do it as a after the full reveal. Let me guys know. Oh my gosh, I'm very tired. Let me know in the comments, guys, what you think I should do. Anyway, check you guys later. Like and subscribe if you liked it and if this was informative. And I'll answer any questions you guys have. All right.